everybody, it's Katrina. I'm just popping on to let everyone know that I am okay. Surgery went well, and the expected reactions to anesthesia that I usually have, I didn't have. I had a great team handpicked by me, so I guess sometimes the privilege of being a nurse is you can pick and choose who you want to take care of you. You know who will and who won't. So you kind of can feed off of that. So I had a wonderful team, and surgery has never been my issue. Anesthesia is always my issue. Literally to the point where I actually died one time from anesthesia. So I am a lightweight. Tylenol makes me sleepy. And I think when you go in for surgery, those are things that it's very important for them to know that you're one of those people that takes Tylenol and has a flood of endorphins that put you to sleep. So it doesn't take very much to activate those trigger points for me, those reactor points. But I'm not going to get too medical here. I'm just going to say that I'm on the mend. I'm doing fine. Woke up with a little bit of bleeding in my back this morning where they cut me at, but it stopped. It wasn't no big deal. Bleeding means the blood's still pumping, so I'm okay with that. Alright, y'all. So yes, I'm out here in these streets, y'all. Y'all don't judge me. I slept all day yesterday, and I'm awake right now. And as you can see, put my turn signal on, where I'm going. Because I am looking for some things. So I'm going to get in here and see what we can do. And then I will be getting back with y'all a little later on. In the meantime, y'all be blessed and be a blessing. Bye-bye.